back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you few concealers which are easily available in India, and they will be great to conceal your face or your under eye dark circles, which I use daily actually, which I love. So let's get started. Oh god, this hair. First one is the favorite of most of us. They are from MAC, and this is the MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer. Now I cannot really do without this concealer. It is really nice because it's really thick. As you can see, it's really thick and it's not runny. It's quite solid. It's quite thick, so it actually conceals your dark circles really well because it is actually a full coverage. Can you see? It's actually hiding my tattoos as well. So this is my favorite concealer of all times. Now my second favorite concealer is again from MAC, and this is the MAC Studio Finish concealer. I'm almost over with this. It's actually my third tube and I'm almost done. I have little bit of it left. As you can see, I'll just try to show you the texture. So the texture here is moussey or creamy, what you can say. It's again not runny at all, and this also it does a pretty good job if you have dry under eyes, dry skin under your eyes. I think this will be a very good one because it does a great job and it's not very drying on skin, but you do need to set it with a powder. So again, this is a full coverage concealer. The next favorite of mine is by LA Pro Concealer. Now this concealer is actually a dupe of the MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer. You can see people rave about this concealer. Now it was not really available in India very easily till now, but now you get it on Amazon for 500 to 600 bucks, and good news, even Nykaa has this now. So it's very good, and it's a budget friendly dupe of MAC Prolonged Wear. So I'm in the shade, this is how it looks. The next concealer is by L'Oreal. It's called L'Oreal New True Match Foundation, and it's super blendable concealer. I'm in the shade Neutral. It's priced for $8.50. If I didn't mention the price of the concealers I showed you earlier, please check the description box, it'll be there. So again, this comes with a wand, and it has a brush, again a felt tip brush kind of a thing, which is again good for applying the product where you need. And this is how the product looks. Again, this is not a full coverage concealer, but this is something between medium to buildable full coverage concealer. So you need to pack a lot of it if you want a full coverage, but for your face this will work fabulously because it's actually a medium coverage and it stays all day long. The next concealer is by Bharat & Doris. Now I included this because it's super affordable and actually a cream foundation. They do not really have concealers separately, but their foundation are full coverage foundations which can be used as a concealer as well. And this is a small jar of 5 gram, but this is actually sufficient for 2-3 months easily. So this is priced for just 250 rupees, and you have all the shades possible. It looks like this. Obviously it's a jar, so you would need something to scoop out the product, or you can use finger if you're okay with it. Now this is actually a full coverage foundation. Let me know if you want to see a review on this as a foundation, but this is just for 250 rupees and it works great. I'll probably try to show you on this tattoo of mine so that you can see. So as I said, it's totally full coverage, and these are actually, Bharat & Doris has this professional range, so they are waterproof and they're really photographed really well because they are actually meant for photo shoots and all. So this was one. So this is the cream foundation, and I'm in the shade 03. So that was all about concealers. I hope you find it useful. I have tried to get only the concealers which are available in India and which are really good for under eye dark circles, because I don't really use concealer on my face because I don't really need it, but I just use it under my eyes. So these are mine. They are really good and affordable. You can go and have a look. I have actually, before buying this, I have actually done a lot of research and then I bought it. So I didn't really go wrong with what I didn't like. Please like and subscribe this video. It's free to be notified when I upload my next videos. If you like my video, do leave a comment. Do let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see a full review on any of the concealers? Do you want to see the Bharat and Dorius as a foundation review or anything of that sort? Just let me know and I'll do it for you guys. I'll see you then. Bye bye. I'll see you next time. It's really hot and I really want to turn on the fan. See you. Bye.